Hey, how's it going, everybody? Guillermo's back with another little adventure, I guess you could call it. I'm actually just getting ready right now. I'm packing up. I'm gonna leave in a couple hours to Colorado. I'm gonna go hike the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Everybody, I am back, and with a quick update, I am about 30 minutes out of the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. Drive was actually very brutal, I'm not gonna lie. 14 hours turned into a lot, almost a day drive, just because of I mean, of course, all of that wasn't driving. I took like maybe 5 hours to rest at a couple of rest areas and stuff, using the little bed contraption thing I made, which, might I add, works pretty amazing. You don't need it really much to sleep in your car, honestly, but I'll do a run through on that setup after this trip. But yeah, I'm 30 minutes out. I'm gonna get there to the visitor center. Hopefully I'm going to the South Rim visitor center. I don't think there's a North Rim one, but at that South one, I'm gonna try to get a permit to hike the Gunnison route trail, and I'm gonna also try to get a camp spot in the Northern Rim, because those at the Northern Rim is the only campsites at the Gunnison National Park that are first come first serve. So hopefully they aren't all taken. So I made it to the visitor center, and they give out the passes to go actually into the canyon down there. I'm trying to do the Gunnison route trail, which is like I think a 2-mile, pretty steep, usually takes around 3-hour round trip. They start giving those at 4 p.m. so I actually got here pretty good time. It's only an hour wait. And then about the campsites on the Northern Rim, you actually have to sign up for them up there, but it is quite a significant drive. I mean, it's around 2 hours, so I'm probably just gonna go into town to sleep. But this is one of the little overlooks, right? The visitor center is right there, so this is one of the overlooks. Check it out. Yeah, down there's probably the river, Gunnison River, I believe, that you reach when you go down these. Hey, how's it going, everybody? A little update again. So I was able to get a wilderness permit to hike the Gunnison route trail. So the unmarked trail goes all the way down to the river and then back up, roughly I think like 3 to 4 hours, maybe 1.8 miles, I think, round trip, or maybe not round trip, but definitely 1.8 miles down. Morning, everybody. It's day 2 here in Colorado. I'm in Montrose right now, heading towards Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. I will be hiking the Gunnison route trail today. So the Oak Trail right next to the visitor center is the trail that you start on. Go a little bit down and you're gonna see a permit required section, and that is where you will be turning left. So here is the Black Canyon of the Gunnison Wilderness National Park Service wilderness permit required. So it's that way, and then the Oak Flat Loop continues down that way. So I will be going down that way. A lot sooner than expected, huh? Oh. Yeah, that's what yep. Oh, Jesus Christ. It goes all the way over there. Here is some very loose rock. Very, very loose rock. Wow. Not difficult by any means. But definitely some pretty That's the big one. Oh, that didn't help. Thankfully, I was low to the ground there. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be hard to miss this one on the way up, honestly. How's it going? I'm back. I'm pretty much there, kind of. A couple 100 feet, but this is all like really, really loose rock. So I've worked my way up from pretty far up there. And surprisingly, I saw some videos about this trail. It does not, it really is not that difficult. Not that long. But then again, I heard the going down is the hardest part, so that's why I'm saying that possibly it's not that hard, because going down so far has not been that difficult. And I'm pretty much right here. How's it going, everybody? I'm on my way down still. Surprisingly far distance, even though you can see and hear the river. But had a little fall. Nothing bad. I'm 100% fine, but my backpack took a hit. Not sure what broke in there. I checked some stuff out, but I didn't see anything. But we'll see, I guess, once I try to get the tripod out down there, if it still works or not. But yeah, so far I can attest that this trail is not too bad, especially if you do hiking here and there. So I'm pretty much here, but there's a campsite down there. I don't know if that's who you're supposed to pass or not, but let's go down there and see what's popping. I guess there was different routes up there, but this is what one was telling me to take on the map. But we'll see when I get down there. Alrighty, still working my way up right now. Incredibly a lot harder than going down, I would say, but it's very easy to get lost. I've gotten lost twice. Thankfully I was able to find my way back around, but I'm gonna keep going. Alright, I said I'd be back when something interesting happened. I see the chains, and that is a sign of relief because I just got lost. It was like my second, third time I did get lost on the way up. Very, very easy to get lost. Super easy to get lost. I recommend getting all trails and downloading the off, like the off radar or whatever you call it map, so you can have it and guide yourself. Because that's literally the only way. The only way I was able to make it out. Hands are destroyed, hurting. Got a couple of splinters, and I'm almost certain I may have stepped in some poison ivy because I had to cut through a lot of bush to get back onto this trail. But nonetheless, we have chain. All right, I'm gonna work my way up and hopefully get the heck out of here.